came to America herself. It's about cheating. We knew each other when we were very young. High school sweethearts or something American. Now we've become old, I only see photos. She's what I thought, something American, something American. But you don't call me now, and I don't think too much about you. But when she's not around, I can feel you lonely. Oh, I can feel you lonely somewhere. I'm not nice like her, won't wear white like her, don't live life with the pages marked out. No, I'm not perfect, but then no one is. We're all reaching for something American. You don't call me now, and I don't think too much about you. But when she's not around, I can feel you lonely. Oh, I can feel you lonely somewhere. We knew each other when we were very young. High school sweethearts or something